How's good everyone? My name is Ted. Welcome to Tracy's channel. Let's go for the next level of this level 3 in this Cap Mario. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe button. Let's play this shit. Alright, so let's begin this shit. 老妈吃早妈的 okay, I don't know what to shit. I don't know how to pronounce this shit, okay? Alright, let's begin. Okay, maybe I should start with this. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Oh, flower! Oh, I can be a fire Superman? Huh? Wait, why am I controlling like that? Flower, how can you do this thing? How can you do this thing, Flower? I've been nice to you, okay? No, I don't trust you. Oh, so I take the green color circle. Can I? Can I take the green color circle? You made a figure. I know I shouldn't trust this thing, okay? I know I shouldn't trust this thing. Alright, it's infinity death, so it's okay for me. Alright, okay. Let's go. Ha ha ha. You nice try, don't get me. Wait, what? Is that at the end? Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Seriously? No, stop, okay? Stop. Alright. Seriously guys, where the fuck am I supposed to go? Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Can I hit the button? There's something hidden. I don't know. No? It's not that side? Oh come on, I can't even go back. I can't even go back. What the shit? Alright, let's go. Let's see how far it is. Place! Too far. Okay! So there's a hidden, I believe there's a hidden box around here somewhere. Maybe. Alright, maybe it's here. Aha, I knew it. Haha. Alright. Okay. Is that all you got? Is that where you I shouldn't join in the first place. Seriously, I shouldn't try in the first place, okay? I shouldn't join the first. This doesn't turn it overboard, okay? Ah, I forgot. This is there's a track idea. What next? What is next one? What is next? Oh really? Really? Oh really? What the fuck am I supposed to do? What the fuck am I supposed to do? I can't do this shit, guys. I can't do this shit. There might be one here somewhere. Just that I don't know. Alright, there might be one here somewhere. Where is it? Where's the boss? Where's the boss? Where's the boss? Where's the boss? Really? 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 I can't even jump. I can't even jump. What the fuck am I supposed to do? I think there's something wrong with this shit. Alright. How? Well. Alright. Let's get it. Don't dare to scare me, okay? Don't dare to scare me. This might be here somewhere. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh my god, can I go back? I can't go back. Oh jeez. GG for me. The fuck am I supposed to do? Why? Why every time keep on dying without this trick? This trap always keep on dying for me. Nice! Oh, that's good job. Yeah, happy. Okay, I die. Okay, whatever. Whatever this shit, let's go do this shit! Whoa! Alright guys, I think I know what's going on. I need to press this stupid button before I need to move on. No wonder! Oh my god, no, ha. Nice try. Oh, finally, there you are. I got you. Ha. Alright, can I try this thing? No! That's the best part I can do. What the shit? No, can you please stop? No, not today. Haha, not today. Alright, maybe I should go with this shit. Okay, maybe I should run and jump. Oh my god. What am I supposed to do? Oh! I freaking hate this stupid game. Can you please pick off right away? Alright. Maybe I should go on. Go with this shit. And yeah. Okay, maybe. Yo! Okay, good job. That's all you can do? Is that all you can do? Is that... Ah! Okay, okay, never mind. The shit! I thought I could trust the yellow line. What the shit is this shit? Okay. Alright. Let's go. No. Yes. Okay. That's good enough. Ah, finally. That's no problem. I don't try this shit. Alright. Flat! Okay, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, are you serious? I knew I shouldn't try this shit! I love you, and I see you on the true shit. I angry because this stupid game. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. Can I? I think I shouldn't join any party. I shouldn't join all the party with this shit in this room. Why am I in the starting line? Why am I in the starting point? No, that doesn't make sense. No. Is that what you got? Is that what you got? Okay, that's good. Alright, I shouldn't go down. Go. Can you move faster, you slowpoke? Alright. Oh, I don't trust this shit. Ha. Okay, 10. Let's go. Oh, nice try. You want me to die? That's not so easy. What? Oh, how dare you follow me? Go die. Okay, good. Good job. That's no problem. Okay. Oh, I just destroyed the soundtrack. I don't know what the shit is there. Okay, let's go. I freak you. Okay, I freak you. Alright. Whoa, what's it? That guy is so happy. I don't know what is he, friendly or enemy. Okay, let's go. You stupid idiot. I shouldn't trust you at all. You. What the freak? No. Oh, let's try. No. That's not supposed to happen. Wait, what? You stupid traitor! Why you always keep on dying with me this shit? Alright. Maybe I should move up. Oh no. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay. Wait, hold on. You wait for me. Let's push this shit over. Yeah! Die, motherfucker! Okay, wait. Let's go! Woohoo! Oh god, I bet this level is so difficult. Alright. In all this level, I always die with no reason. Yes, and that's why I'm going to broadcast this video. And I'm crazy. Yes, I'm crazy. Hope you guys enjoy. People like video. Make sure you do subscribe to me in VitalThed channel. If you want If you want to watch more of the Cat Mario that I play, do subscribe and like this video. Do a positive comment down below. And I see you in the next video of Treasure Sea. Make a deep pose and ja!